Afraid to break your real Xero data while learning? There's a hidden demo company that lets you practice safely, and I promise it's so much easier than you think. You don't need to set up a whole fake business or risk messing up your actual invoices and contacts. There's already a perfect sandbox waiting for you inside Xero itself. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to access it in just a few clicks. By the time we're done, you'll be able to explore every feature without a single worry about your real company data.
All right, so let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Xero account. Just go ahead and sign in the way you normally would. Use your usual email and password, and get to that main dashboard where you see your organization's name. Now that you're logged in, look at the very top left corner of your screen. You're going to see the name of your current organization. Go ahead and click on that name. This is the drop-down menu where Xero lists all the organizations you have access to. Now, in that drop-down menu, you're going to look for something called Demo Company. And here's the thing, this isn't some hidden developer tool or secret backdoor. It's a standard option that Xero provides for exactly this purpose. So scroll down slowly through the list. You'll see your real organizations, maybe some archived ones, and then right there should be Demo Company. If you don't see it, don't panic. Sometimes you need to scroll just a little further. It's always there. Once you've found it, click on Demo Company. And now, give it just a moment. So now that you're inside the Demo Company, let's explore. This is the fun part. You can start looking around with zero consequences. Everything you see here is fake. It's sample data designed to look like a real business. So click on Invoices. You'll see a list of fake invoices sent to fake customers. Some are overdue, some are paid, some are drafts. It's the perfect way to see how the whole invoicing workflow works without touching your real money. Let's look at how to create and manage invoices. Go ahead and try to create a new invoice. Pick a sample customer from the list, add a line item, maybe a service or a product, then save it as a draft. Then try to approve it or send it. You won't hurt anything. This is your practice ground. Make mistakes here. That's the whole point. Next, check out the Contacts section. You'll see a list of customers and suppliers. Click into one of them. See how Xero stores their details, their contact history, and any outstanding balances. You can even try editing a contact's address or adding a note. It all stays contained inside this demo environment. Now, let's generate some sample reports. Click into the Reports section. Run a profit and loss report. Try a balance sheet. See how the data flows from the invoices and bills into these financial statements. This is where the demo really shines because you can see cause and effect. You can create a new transaction and immediately see how it changes your report. Finally, explore other features like bank accounts. You'll see fake bank feeds and transactions. You can practice reconciling, categorizing, and even matching transactions. It feels exactly like the real thing, but without the stress. When you're done playing around, it's incredibly easy to switch back. Just click that organization name in the top left corner again and choose your real company. You'll be back in your live environment, safe and sound. And that's it. You now know the quickest and easiest way to access the Xero Demo Company. Go ahead and use this to practice, to learn new features, or to train team members without any risk. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one.